Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off dialing keypad sound on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then we go down and tap on system sound. In here, tap on dialing keypad sound. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you switch it on, then on your keypad, every time you tap on a key, it will play a sound. If you don't want to play a sound when you are tapping on a keypad, we can go into system sound and turn off dialing keypad. And this way, now when you tap on the keypad, it will not play any sound. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.